Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner from ex.ScreenProtector and Inte.Team. Guys, so finally I will have time to tidy it all up. I went out from moving my furniture around, so fingers crossed no more changes. Now I already know where part of this is going, so that's fine. And I'll start the process. So 2 updates. One is this, and fingers crossed, nothing will change because I had loads of work. It's like mainly TVs and game consoles, a bit of laptops. So mainly those. Yes, there were some other jobs, but it's like, loaded. Now we've got the 23rd and videos are till the 2nd. And many days have 2 videos per day, yes. So yeah, so it's a lot of work. I bought myself this PCB holder because I was trying to help my friend and I couldn't solder too many components at once, so I said I'll order it. So I've got it. I want to do it, and I'm trying to catch up. It's a Sunday. But I will still do something, maybe tidy up this a bit, because that's annoying me. Even my friends are saying to me that I've got a lot of mess, and I do. I said, come on a holiday, you'll visit Edinburgh and Glasgow. I've said that to our web development apprentice, yes. That, come, you'll visit Edinburgh and Glasgow and you'll help me tidy up the room. Yeah, because we've moved, and these rooms, and then it's no time to tidy it up now. So yeah, so that's the plan. What else? I still haven't touched my switches. Yes, so I've got 2 Nintendo Switch to fix. No power, no charging. I will try to charge maybe the battery, or no, I need to find the time and just fix it. I've got most of the chips, BQK chip as well, so that's it. I've got iPhone 7 Plus, which need to be fixed, iPhone 7 which need a battery replacement, but it's good, it's working, fully working. I've tested all the features, I'd say, apart from Bluetooth. But I've checked everything, Wi-Fi, everything. I've got a display to mount into the Pixel 3a, that one as well. I've got Nintendo Switch Lite with a digitizer still to do. I need to finish the PlayStation 4s, like a lot of work. I've got an update on PS5. PlayStation 5 can be still probably fixable. I've seen one video of a guy, and this guy said that if you've got a faulty or non-present HDMI encoder, then it will be a beeping sound as I have just now. So fingers crossed my HDMI encoders are either faulty or just, they are not connecting properly on the main board, and I need to fix that one as well. I will have PS4 for sale with 1 controller, or I'll keep it for, for when somebody's coming to have measurements from. And I will need to give up on the welder. It's too much time taking and no value, so I'll need to give up on a few things. Till I gave up on a few, and I still need to give up on a few. There's one particular thing which I would like to fix. It's from 60s, like I don't remember. Something. It's a magnetophone, we call it, but it's a spindle, 2 spindles. So it's I don't remember. Doesn't matter. Philips. Reel to reel. Oh, that's what it's called. So yeah, so that one. I've got a laptop which customer don't reply about, and he asked me to recover the data. I've got a second laptop here which I need to pay for as well. When my car will come, I need to go and pay the guy. For the laptop guy, I don't want to fix it. And I've got more TVs. I've ordered backlight for 1. I need to order backlight for a second. I've got 2 faulty here as well. TVs, either main boards or LVDS signal, you know, so I need to check it out. It's looking like the main board's fault, but you know, for now I'm too busy to even look at it. And yeah, it's a ton of repairs here, tons of repair, guys. So that's it. That's the update. What else? I've got at Book Repair online.co.uk. For those who don't know, it's an app for now only for those who fix electronics, and it's a free if you either using it and using our suppliers, or then we get commissions from them, you know, and then we can give you this software for free, or for £10 per month, first month free to check it out. So it's a fair and square, I'd say. Only if you would have like a bigger, you know, turnover and a lot of customers, then you would pay for it more. So yeah, iPads, iPhone, that's what I will give up. And I've got a Ricoh printer. I was doing it before and it was working. Only guy installed it on the Linux and he couldn't, so he came so that I can do it. I've checked, I've connected with my Linux and it's working fine. So yeah, that Philips reel-to-reel core audio, which I need to test now because there's no short. I've replaced components. Hi-Fi Bush Bluetooth speaker, no time to sit on it. Guy, I've contacted the guy doesn't contact back. Power supply for Xbox, guy don't contact me at all, and it's the cheapest chip, so probably guy gave up. Laptops, Toshiba Satellite I've told you about, that's the one which I bought. Dell laptop, that's what I need to go through as well. PlayStation I've told you about. 5 Hi-Fi system Marantz, I gave up on it because the main board, one of the boards, when you disconnect power supply for the audio amplifier, it's booting up, yes, so that something is causing a short to it or lack of signal, so I need to give up on it. TV doesn't want to turn on. Samsung, I know what it is. I've ordered mainboard for £65 and 70-inch TV. It's here, it will be in the playlist. 2 parts for the video. I've used 50-inch Samsung TV board to fix this one, and I need to ask customer because that's expedited service. Yes, that's the red, so that means it's a higher priority, highest priority. And if customer want to fix it today on Sunday, which is the 23rd of October of the time of the recording, and then, you know, then I can fix it and drop it off today. If customer don't want to, we can wait. Oh, somebody wrote in the marketplace, and that's the you know, that's the guy, and he said okay, that's fine, perfect, so it's fine. How much is it? He's asking. Okay, so yeah, what I want to do, you know, is, guys, I want to crack on with these jobs. I need a helper again tomorrow on Monday. He'll come, we'll go through some TVs, and yeah, and fingers crossed I'll have more time. I will start today moving this so this pile won't be as big, you know, you can see it clearly now. So with toys, I'll try to get rid of those toys and some other stuff. Below there are 2 mattresses, they are only staying, the rest is must go, yes, so I'll start it, and fingers crossed I can finish like half of it today and then maybe half of it next day or something. We will see. At least that one. If that one will be gone, I can align TVs over there and have more space for them. But that's it. That's everything, guys. Thank you for watching. I know it's no reason to press the like button unless you're following me what I'm doing. And you can smash that like button, yeah. Guys, thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.